You ready to learn how to cut your own hair in the bob? Stay tuned. Y'all, I could not find anyone in Charlotte to do my hair, to cut my hair for me. I had one of my friends that was going to do it, but she had to go out of town. And I had another style that was going to do it, but she said she didn't cut African American hair. So I was left with doing it myself. So here we go. So I parted my hair in half and I put a ponytail holder tight down at the nape because I wanted this to be a precision cut. And I'm using the razor to do it so that it won't have like a super duper sharp line. You can get this razor from the hair store. It was like $2.99. I had to do a quick prayer because listen, I love my hair and I did not want to be bald headed out in the streets. So I took the razor and I just started razoring my hair. As you can see, guys, yeah, during this time I was like really nervous, but I was like, girl, it's your birthday. You gotta pop out something different. You gotta let the hair go. And you know how to grow hair. Your hair is healthy. It's gonna grow back within like 4 to 5 months. So I already know. So I'm just gliding the razor and you see how it's just coming off. After that, I took my shears and point cut it because I don't want a hard line. I just want it to flow. I don't want to look like Dora. So yeah, I'm just making sure that it's even without making it, look too blotchy. So that's how it looks when I took out the ponytail. It has a V shape, which I'm grateful about because that's exactly what I wanted. One of the ladies that works in the building that I'm in, she was like, oh, I see you doing your hair all day. It looks so nice. I'm so happy for this transformation. You know how that go. She was super cute though. So I'm just checking the back to make sure my angles are right, honey, because it can't be looking crazy, especially, I'm a hairstylist, you know what I'm saying? So my hair can't be looking all crazy. And I did just color my hair too, just to brighten it up and do more of a fall color. So I'm taking my shears and I'm just angling it how I want it to look. I did have one side that was a little shorter than the other side because I do like to switch up my hair and I do want to have that look if I choose to do so. I think it's really crazy how when you're doing your own hair, you just be making these ugly ass faces. And I was making all of them, okay? Now I'm gonna go in and layer so that it does not look choppy. That's what I meant to say earlier, not botchy, but choppy. So I'm going in to create my layers. This was like the hardest thing to do, of course, because I can't see the back of my head too much. So I had to bend and turn and twist my arms and all of that stuff. So I was super tired after this. But if you watch my previous videos, then you know what I said about creating a guide. And I wanted the front to be a little bit longer. I didn't want too much layers, like too many short layers. So I just angled it in the front and followed my guide so that it can match up with the back because the middle was a little longer, the front was longer, and the back was shorter. Now, I know you guys don't have my shears, or if you aren't a professional, it's still important that you have some good shears. Like you can go to Sally's and get y'all some shears. And I'm point cutting again because I want to get rid of some of that weight. I don't want it to be choppy. I want it to flow and, have that sexy look. Again, I'm point cutting because I want to get rid of the weight. Get rid of all of that weight that's in my hair. And y'all know I'm a perfectionist, baby. It has to be right. So So again, a point cutting to make sure that it looks good. So far it looks good. I still need to get rid of that weight though. So I stood in the mirror and, you know, just make sure that it was nice and even how I wanted it to be. I did cut the left side a little bit shorter because, again, perfectionism is my weakness. It's a good trait, but it's also a weakness for me. I don't know if it's a Virgo thing or what, but I had to make sure. I'm not even gonna lie, that color is giving, honey. Again, I'm cutting again. And I had people say, are you really gonna cut your hair? This is not a lot of hair, but I wanted to do something different, you know. It looked like I was about to be in a 90s dance battle the way I was holding my arms. But don't pay that no mind. But y'all know, like, when you want to look a certain way and you're doing your own hair, it don't matter. I would do a backflip. I'll bend over. Whatever I got to do to make sure my hair is laid, honey, I'm going to do it. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever had to do your own hair and did it turn out right the way you wanted it to? Or was it a disaster? Let me know in the comments. Because this could have went either way, honestly. And of course, y'all know I use all of my products from Healthy MF and Hair, every single thing. I did not put any leave-ins. My deep treatment is a 2-in-1, and it also is a heat protectant. So I don't like to put a lot of stuff on my hair because I like my hair to flow, and all of the ingredients in my products just adds everything to that. So you don't need a million products to have healthy hair, guys. And that link will be down below as well. Let me know in the comments how y'all think I did on my hair. I'm probably going to have my friend who's also a stylist, to reshape it in a few weeks if I want to keep this cut, because my hair is going to grow really fast. But I think I did an amazing job for my birthday. Like, it was just giving. I felt different when I got out the chair. Like, I just felt like I was just giving life. And to create that bang look, that volume without having too much curl, y'all know I always suggest that you take the hair going back. You want the volume going back. Just watch what I'm about to do. So that's going to give me the volume that I'm going for without looking like, Bobbiana or Dora. If you follow these steps, this is something easy that you can do at home, or even on like a sew-in, a quick weave, or even on your natural hair. Just practice, maybe on a mannequin, and then go from there. But I really feel like I did a great job. I love my hair, and I was so cute for my birthday, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, swoopity doop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see y'all next time for the next video. Stay tuned.